MrBeast, Jimmy Donaldson, is a prominent YouTuber known for his extravagant challenges and charitable acts. While he hasn't offered a standardized guide or formula to new YouTubers, he has shared various pieces of advice in different interviews, podcasts, and even within his videos. Here are some notable pieces of advice based on what he's shared. Focus on retention. Make sure that the content is engaging and keeps the viewers hooked. If people click off the video early, the YouTube algorithm is less likely to recommend it. Always be innovating. Don't get stuck doing the same thing. Always think about how you can change, adapt, or bring new ideas to your content. Quality over quantity. Instead of posting multiple videos that aren't well thought out, focus on creating fewer, high-quality videos that are engaging and offer value to viewers. Invest in your content. Especially once you start earning, consider reinvesting into your channel. Better equipment, better editing, or even funding bigger projects can make a difference. Study analytics. Understand YouTube analytics to figure out what works and what doesn't. Look at watch time, click-through rates from thumbnails, and audience retention to improve your content. Be patient. Success on YouTube doesn't come overnight. It might take hundreds of videos before you see significant growth. Persistence is key. Collaborate. Collaborations can help expose your content to a new audience. Work with other creators, but ensure the collaboration makes sense for both parties and feels organic. Stay authentic. Audiences tend to resonate with genuine creators. While it's okay to evolve and change, it's crucial to stay true to who you are and what you believe in. Listen to feedback. Engage with your community, read comments, and listen to feedback. While not all feedback will be constructive, there are valuable insights in understanding what your audience likes or wants more of. Stay updated with platform changes. YouTube, like any other platform, evolves. Stay updated with any changes in the algorithm, platform policies, or new features to make the most of them. Remember, while MrBeast's path to success is one of many, his advice can be helpful. However, it's also essential to find your voice and style. Success on YouTube often requires a mix of perseverance, innovation, and a bit of luck.